Windshield wiper blades are essential for safe driving, but they often wear out faster than we realize. Here's how you can make them last longer and keep your view clear in any weather. One of the easiest and most effective ways to prolong the life of your wiper blades is to clean them regularly. Dirt, grime, and even tiny stones can get stuck on the blades and reduce wiping efficiency. Rubbing alcohol helps remove built-up grime and residue from wiper blades, restoring smooth and streak-free performance. Take a solution of rubbing alcohol, 3 parts alcohol to 1 part water in a spray bottle. Give a few squirts on a microfiber towel. Then just work your way through the blade, giving it a nice clean. Do not apply heavy pressure, as this can damage the blade. You'll see how some of the dirt comes off. Then, change the side of your towel, and give the blades a final cleaning wipe. Next, take WD-40 rubber silicone. This will help condition the rubber, improve flexibility, reduce squeaking, and extend the life of your wiper blades. Apply a small amount onto a microfiber cloth, and wipe it up and down the rubber blades, including inside the grooves. Also, apply it to the hinge of the wiper arm. Now your windshield wiper blades are clean, conditioned, and ready to perform at their best. Your wiper blades will not last long if they are constantly dragging over a dirty or gritty windshield. Use a quality glass cleaner to wipe down your windshield regularly. A clean windshield reduces friction, helping your wiper blades glide smoothly and last significantly longer. In cold climates, snow and ice can freeze your wiper blades to the windshield, damaging the rubber when you turn them on. In hot climates, direct sun can bake the rubber, causing it to crack. In both cases, it's a good idea to lift your wipers off the windshield when your car is parked for long periods. This prevents sticking and cracking, especially in winter. Don't forget to regularly add windshield washer fluid to your car. It helps keep your windshield clean, reducing wear on your wiper blades, and improving their performance. Even with great care, wiper blades don't last forever. If they start streaking, squeaking, or skipping, it's time to replace them. On average, swapping them out every 6 to 12 months is a good rule of thumb. Replacing worn blades promptly helps maintain smooth operation and prevents further damage to your wiper system. By following these simple tips, you will extend the life of your windshield wiper blades, save money, and stay safer on the road. A little maintenance goes a long way.